so far. And then we've got that auto, which is kind of cool. Yeah, the Optic 2022-23, the newest Optic, just released. I haven't been able to find any in retail yet. Got CP3, Chris Paul. Nice, that's pretty cool. Winner stays, Antetokounmpo, Giannis. Just a dominant player. So there's that purple Prizm insert, the variation. All right, so this is our last pack of the Optic. Got TJ Warren, nice. There we go, Cade Cunningham. Take that for sure. We got Miles Bridges, and our last card is a splash, Steph Curry insert. All right, so that was a pretty good pack there. Got Cade Cunningham, rookie.